Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my little life channel. In this video, I'll answer your question about Dylon dye. In the past, I made 4 videos about Dylon dye and experiment 9 pots of different color of machine dye and 2 sachets of hand dye. So here, I'm going to answer your questions in the comment. So first question is, how long does it last? The answer is almost permanent. Those are the photos I dyed 6 months ago, and nothing has been changed since then. So Dylon is a product to give new life for old clothes with adding another color, and the color will stay. However, please remember that it doesn't mean all the fabric get newer. So in fact, color will come out from the clothes for past several washes as it's warned in the instruction. So please be careful and separate when you wash it. Otherwise, the Dylon dye clothes will ruin another your clothes. After several washes, you can wash in washing machine without problem. Second question, does it work? I say yes. And please see more examples from my previous videos. I will show you again, but it didn't work for me. So this one has got strange pattern after pre-dye and pink. In fact, if I didn't do the pre-dye, it could have been okay. It didn't have this pattern at all. The pre-dye, it seems like you need to get this marble pattern. But in this blue shirt, it's gone completely blue after all. So not sure what's happening with this purple one particularly. And then for some t-shirts, I had uneven pattern or some sort of marks like those. I don't know why it's happened, because I didn't overload it for those. My feeling is it sometimes depends on fabric. In my case, all very solid, strong color like orange, yellow, red worked perfectly, and blue has got a mark on it. Maybe because it's paler than other colors. Next question. How can I know the outcome? Final outcome of the color is honestly unpredictable. So it doesn't match with pot color sometimes. Also, understanding this color chart is quite important. This is one of the examples, yellow shirts plus pale purple dye. Making white or bright color into darker color won't be issue much. But if you are planning to mix original color with the fabric and change it into the another one, it will be more tricky. So you have to take a bit of risk. But I think this is part of the fun, and overall I didn't regret about it. And what kind of material did you use? Well, because this is an experiment, I've tried quite a lot of different things. But again, you should follow the instruction. So for machine dye pot, cotton, linen, viscose. That's it. With hand dye, wool is possible, and I've tried cashmere, it was okay. I also tried this synthetic mask, and it's actually got the color, some part of them. Next question. Does Dylon change the fabric texture? With both machine dye and hand dye, I didn't notice any major change. Usually, texture stays as it is. Next question. Does it ruin your washing machine? Answer is no. But after you use the Dylon machine dye, you still have to wash once without any clothing with normal detergent, or in my case, use washing machine cleaner like those. Especially after you did navy blue, black, and red. Those colors stay around the washing machine. Also, when I did the hand dye in the bathtub, all the dyes split into the bathtub. But as long as you use the foam cleaners, it's gone quite nicely and easily. Okay, so here there are 3 things I found from my experiment. First one, follow the instruction. Also, don't overload. Dylon's instruction is very tiny and not easy to read. However, I found it's very important to follow how it should be. If you struggle, please check my videos, so I'm showing what I've done. Don't take a risk too much. I got a message from a lady who wanted to use Dylon for covering up a spot on her favorite coat. My advice would be, that sounds maybe too much. Because for me, Dylon is to revitalize old clothes into new and then enjoy the new life of the clothing. The final outcome of the color is not quite predictable. So I won't really use the clothes just blue. And finally, enjoy the surprise. With Dylon, you can make your ordinary pieces into the one never existed anywhere in the world. So get your own color and style into the favorite and enjoy it. That's it for this video. If you have more questions related with Dylon, please comment on below. I'll answer as much as I know about from my experiments. Thank you very much again, and see you in the another videos.